Hi and welcome to Aubergine help video number 5. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the page builder option on a WordPress website to create new pages or redesign the ones you have. First you'll need to log in to the admin area of your website. If you're unsure how to do this, please watch Aubergine help video number 1. As you can see your dashboard, choose the Pages option to open a view of all your pages. You'll get a screen that looks a bit like this. Click on Add New to create a new page. Now on this page the most important bit is this central section, the Page Content Builder. When you click on Add Page Layout you'll see a choice of options. If you're not familiar with how these options look on your website, it can be handy to have a sample page. Now what is that? Let me show you. On any website, the page is built of one or more strips, each with their own functionality. Here we've got one strip which has an image and a button, and the same for this one, an image and a button. And this is a different kind of strip. Now knowing what each of these strips looks like on the front end is really handy, and this is where creating the sample page can help. To do that you simply click each one of these options, move down, add another page layout, the to column, move down, add page layout, next option, and so on until you've finished them and you give it a name at the top and press publish. Now as it happens I have one that I made earlier. Here's the sample page I made earlier. You can see the one column, what it looks like with a background, the to column option, the image and text option, the column links option, and so on. It's fun to play around with this a little bit and experiment with putting in different backgrounds and text colours so you really get an understanding of what's possible with your website. So with this in mind you can go and create a new page or an amend existing one. To create a new page you go back using the All Pages option there, go back onto your list of pages and click on Add New. And from there it's very straightforward. You give it a title, choose the layouts you'd like. I could choose this one column. Once we've got a title, some text, I can include a button link. And the URL, pop that in there. Change the background colour if I want, and so on and so forth, adding the bits that I like. And to finish off, of course, we click publish up here. Or we could choose to edit a page. And in that instance, we can click here, we choose the edit option of the page that we're interested in. Here we are. I can either be changing text and so on, or I can add some layout. If I wanted above, I click on this plus. Let's add a 2-column strip in there above the one column that we already had. And then if I wanted to add one below, I scroll to below it and add one in there. And then of course, once you've finished your work, click update. And that's it. That gives you a good insight into how to create a new page in WordPress or amend an existing one using the page builder system. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.